Hi guys, DisneyHello here. Today in observance of Fire Prevention Week, I have this Play-Doh Diggin rig set from the Tonka Chuck and Friends series. This playset comes with a little axe, 2 molds, 2 cans of Play-Doh, red and blue, and Boomer the Firetruck. Boomer's ladder is actually an extruder, and he has 2 more molds, one for bricks and the other one is for the fire hydrant. Fire Prevention Week is to commemorate the Great Chicago Fire in 1871, and this year the National Fire Protection Association has partnered with Legoland. So take the 2014 Smoke Alarm Pledge to check your smoke alarms once a month and enter by October 5th the Legoland Sweepstakes. Now let's start molding. Well guys, thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for more Play-Doh, Lego, and Planes Fire and Rescue here on DisneyHello.